Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to share full-length video on Threads. So as of 2025, Threads allows users to upload videos up to 5 minutes in length per post, and that's good, and that's a good length and a large one. So let's get through our Threads app, and right here on Threads, I just want you to look to this plus icon, and right here I want you to tap on it. So here, as you can see, you can type anything like hi, this is my situation, take it as an example and learn from me. Alright, it's just an example, and right here, as you can see, there are too many tools that you can add to your thread or to your post. And right here, to post a video on Threads, you can go into your gallery or even use your camera right now and record a video or film one. So by tapping on this icon, you will get through your gallery, and right there you can find that video you want to post. The maximum length of a video that can be posted on Threads is less than 5 minutes, and it's a good length. Anyways, let's tap on it, and right here, once you get to your gallery, you need to allow Threads to access photos and videos on this device. Then tap on allow, and right here you can choose a picture, or let's consider that this is the video, for example. Then tap on done, and right here you can see that's the video, and the text that we already typed is applied. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.